Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you how to make honey garlic cauliflower wings. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of panko crumbs, 2 eggs, a small cauliflower cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 small cube of onion powder, 6 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 6 tablespoons of water. Whisk the eggs and dip the cauliflower pieces. Then place them in a plate, or in my case a cutting board, to let the excess egg drip off. It is very important for you to do this because if you don't get rid of the excess egg, it will dampen the breadcrumbs and they won't stick to the cauliflower. Next, put the breadcrumbs in a Ziploc bag, add 2 to 3 cauliflower pieces at a time, and shake the bag to coat them. Place the cauliflower wings in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake them at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cauliflower is soft. In the meantime, work on the sauce. In a small pot over medium-high heat, mix together the honey, soy sauce, sriracha sauce, garlic, and onion powder. While that comes to a boil, mix together the cornstarch and the water. Once the sauce has come to a boil, add the cornstarch water and whisk until it thickens. To finish this recipe, place the cauliflower wings in a bowl and coat them with the sauce. If you like, you can garnish them with sesame seeds and green onions. This recipe is very easy to make and it actually tastes really good. You can eat it with fried rice or quinoa. I love eating this with my sweet potato quinoa. I will link that video down below in case you're interested in making it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell button to get notified when I upload new videos.